tense, nervous, headache?
Have you ever had chronic neck pain?
Are you a pain in the neck?
This video will show you a simple trick to fix one of the most common causes of neck pain and tension headaches related to posture. Hi, this is Gawain, helping you save time with your fitness goals as efficiently and effectively as possible. Since lockdown started, more people have been working from home and probably not in an ideal setup. If you're hunched over a laptop where the screen isn't at eye level, this can create a build-up of muscle tension around the back of the neck, and eventually the pain signals kick in. This seating position can also lead to lower back pain due to a weakening of muscles around the core, and I'll cover this in another video. The reason for this type of neck pain and headaches is that the muscles around the neck become out of balance. Due to the size of our complex brains,
Dime bar.
Humans have evolved a massive head in proportion to the rest of our body. If the muscles at the front of the neck become weak, the muscles at the back of the neck have to work extra hard to support the weight of the head. These muscles go up as far as the base of the skull, which can lead to tightness all around it. Frequent use of smartphones and tablets will only make this worse, as it involves a lot of time with the head tilted downwards. I used to have this problem, and often massaged it with various gadgets to break down the muscle knots in there. It did bring temporary relief, but it usually came back a day or so later. The solution was to fix the root cause and strengthen the muscles at the front of the neck. Here's how you do it. Find a comfortable spot to lie on the floor. Bend your knees to take any pressure off the lower back. Make sure to find a space where random animals can't lick you in the face. And if the weather's good, you can get some vitamin D at the same time. Now, because I'm lying down, gravity's acting in this direction on the weight of my head. So when I nod it forwards, everything at the front contracts, which is exactly what you want. There's a version of this exercise where you slowly nod your head off the floor up and down, which is fine, but there's a better way to strengthen these neck muscles in less time. It's called an isometric exercise, where you contract the muscles without moving. In this case, I'm going to use my own strength to stop my head lifting off the floor. When you're lying on your back, it doesn't take much force to do this. But for comfort, I'm going to use a rolled up towel pushed onto my forehead. Alternatively, if you've got a yoga block like this with a bit of give to it, that also works. So to start the exercise, imagine trying to nod your head off the floor, but push down just enough to stop you moving. Go for about a 5 out of 10 in terms of effort. The muscles at the front of your neck should feel tense. Keep your jaw relaxed and breathe normally. You might feel tightness at the back of your neck when you first start doing these, but the more you do them, those muscles will finally be able to relax. So you're trying to nod your head off the floor for an effort of 5 out of 10. Hold this for 30 seconds. This will gradually activate, then fatigue those muscles at the front of the neck. Then, for the last 15 seconds, increase the effort to an 8 out of 10. Keep breathing. It'll be tempting to hold your breath for this. When the last 15 seconds are up, ease off on the forehead pressure, remove the towel, and then perform several slow head rotations. That was one set. So how often should you do this? Well, that's going to be unique to you depending on how quickly the tension eases off. But if you find tightness developing again, you could always throw in a set or two. Please share this with anyone you think would benefit. If you've got any questions, send me a direct message or post in the comments below. Thank you for watching, stay safe and neck pain free.
Wait. Are you a pain in the neck? Good boy, good boy. You can have a biscuit now.